We were looking at affiliate marketing. Now, let's look at investing or trading. There are also platforms which a lot have lost money and because of the fake ones which are there on the internet, like the cryptocurrencies, forex, stocks, trading platforms. This is the most dangerous online platform which a lot of people have lost a lot of money by paying these such investors. But it doesn't mean that if they are scammers, then they are no real platforms. They are really real platforms. So let me talk about cryptocurrency. So in this platform, there is what is called cryptocurrency. This is the money which is electronic money. Now, how it works is that look at kwacha. Kwacha, Zambian kwacha, some months it was about it reached up to 30 kwacha. We were buying Zambian kwacha at 30 kwacha, and now we are buying at 22 kwacha. So now you can imagine if you have you saved your money in dollars. So if you saved your money in dollars, for example, you saved maybe $1,000. So it means that you have automatically lost 8,000 kwacha. So because when you saved the money, it was dollar was at 30 kwacha. So since dollar was at 30 kwacha, you saved $1,000, and that $1,000 was equivalent to 30,000 kwacha. Now the kwacha has come down, and now the dollar is at 22 kwacha. So if your money was in dollars, it means you have lost 80,000 kwacha. So you are no longer having the 30,000 kwacha in dollars. You are having now the 22,000 kwacha in dollars. So in the cryptocurrency or forex, how it works is that instead of you changing it into a Zambian where it has foreign, then you go and change it into the currency which has lost the value. So you get that's 10 kwacha, that 1,000 kwacha. If you use it in Zambia, it has lost 8,000 kwacha. So you have 8,000 kwacha less. Then when you go into another country, you'd find that the dollar has gone up. The dollar has gone up. Since the dollar has gone up, that means that the value of the money in that particular country, your value has gone up. For example, here you are buying TV. The cost of TV here in Zambia, it is 5,000 kwacha when the dollar was down, or because prices mostly they fluctuate with the dollar, but still there is more gain in the product. Like if the product was 5,000 kwacha, that was the cost of TV, which is in the 30,000 kwacha that you had, you are supposed to buy you are supposed to buy six TVs. So now you cannot buy 6 TV. You will only be able to buy 4 instead of 6 in your $1,000. So now, if in Zambia, if you bought at that time those TVs and you sell them in another country where the dollar has gone down, you would find that you are going to make money. You are going to make money. So now, since the dollar has gone down in Zambia, so you'd find that maybe when you go to Botswana, in the same $1,000, you'll be able to buy maybe 10 TVs. So you just transfer your $10 into Pula and buy 10 TV. When you buy 10 TV, you brought them here in Zambia, where they are selling them at 5,000, then you are going to make it 50,000 from your dollar. I don't know if you have gotten this. So that is how what Forex trading is. So what they do now, the example I've given, it's on the physical product. So what they'll do is that they'll buy the currency which has fallen. If the dollar in Zambia has fallen, so we'll buy the dollars using kwacha. So when we buy dollars using kwacha, we are going to buy more dollars. Then we are going to go to get that dollar and sell it into another country where the dollar has fallen. So now that difference, that transaction is going to create the value, and you may find that that 8,000 kwacha that has been lost from the dollar from Zambian dollar at a month ago or 2 months ago to dollar at this one. Now it is done from currency to currency. So on one day I invest that $1,000 into this currency, I withdraw it, I buy another currency, and I get that currency, I take it into a certain Forex currency, then I gain what is called that I gain that 800 kwacha. That 8,000 kwacha, I gain it in a day. So that is how Forex works. So they look at which is a weak currency, which is the strong currency, then they'll be doing the trading. They'll get the currency from here, take it there, they get the currency from there, take it there, then they'll create the value. That value they withdraw. That is the profit that are made. I know you cannot get this. You learn more. You have to pay me if you want to to do the trading in the Forex, so that I may help you to understand on how you can make money through the product. So focus on education first. Don't yarrow your savings into Bitcoin. The first thing that for you to do the stock trading or crypto trading, it is very much important to understand the secret behind it. If they are promising you, no, just do this, then you're going to give you money, you will lose. And many people have lost in Forex because they don't understand. They think it is magic. They think it is magic. You just put in money, then you may put in money, then the money falls. As I was saying that, for example, you put in a country like Zambia where the dollar was 30 kwacha, then it comes down, now it is 22 kwacha. So which means that automatically you lose. So even in the cryptocurrency and stocks, Forex, there are losses, like as I've said. Instead of you making money, you find that you make loss. Instead of you having 30,000 kwacha, you have 20,000 kwacha and you lose 8,000 kwacha. So that is how this works. And you can be able to, you need to focus on education, understand how it is done, and be able to trade just like that. So that is you remember there was a cooperative in Zambia which was selling stocks, whereby you put in money, then they'll be doing the chicken for you. You just get, when they sell, they send you shares, just like that. So you can be able to invest in such platforms.